He was just chuffing along. He was just listening to some song. Well, Johnny Cooper, it's Zippet back again. Goodbye. This is where you have to take me. Reluctantly, Zippet attaches to line, but suddenly there was a loud hoot, and Hercules stood up. Hello, Zippet, he said. Are you taking our friend Johnny Cooper, eh? What's it to you, Star? Snubbed Johnny Cooper. I knew you of old, Johnny Cooper, said Hercules. Let's hand him over to the authorities, Zippet. They'd like a word with him. No, you did, roared Johnny, and he tried to back out of the dock. but Jupiter's line was attached and he hung on until Hercules managed to hitch another line to the freighter. "Well done, Jupiter," said Hercules. "Customs will be proud of you. Come on, let's take him in." "I'll break your stick for this one." "Shut up, you." Johnny cruised angrily. But there was nothing he could do. Back at the Zara, Jupiter hung his head, while Captain Zara scolded him for helping the Star Tugs with Princess Alice. Now the Z-Stick's also in trouble. "What a bunch! No salvage work, no extra fish. Get out of my sight, all of you." The Z-Sticks turned to her. But before they could leave, the customs lodge steamed up. Silence fell. "A word with you, sir," said the lodge, "about Johnny Cooper." "He's got no connection with me," snapped Captain Harbour. "They're told the tugs to stay away from him." "Well, one of them didn't," said the lodge. "Jupiter." The Z-Sticks turned to look at Jupiter accusingly. "Listen, officer," blustered Captain Harbour. "I'm clean. Whatever Jupiter did, he did it against my orders, Jupiter." "Hold on, Harbour," said the lodge. "If it wasn't for him, you'd have a lot of explaining to do. Jupiter and Hercules brought Johnny Cooper in. Because of Jupiter's help, Shinji had nothing to do with Johnny Cooper. It just came by to thank him." Well, I was just saying what a credit he is to my fleet," smoked Captain Harbour. "Wasn't it, Tugs?" Now the Z-Sticks clever and embarrassed. "Always, I'll count on us any time," said Captain Harbour. "Thanks," said the customs lodge, "and thank you, Jupiter." And he moved away across the harbour.